Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make fine woolen flower using fork, beads and two colors of wool. Wrap around the green wool 25 times on the fork, then tie it to secure. From the middle of the fork, attach pink wool for design. Then wrap around the pink wool on the green wool 15 times. Now attach 3 beads and secure. Make the design 5 pieces and join together to make woolen flower. And finally, attach a medium-sized bead at the center. Thank you all for watching.